Hi, welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a little Lego plane out of 8 pieces. So let's go. So, as you see here, we're going to get this piece, this piece, and this piece. And then, we're going to snap those two together. So then we can connect these two to the wheels, and then we can connect this weird looking piece. And then we're going to connect it like this, and then take this piece over here, this piece right here, so you got this, and then as you see here, we're going back to this, and then we're actually going to be connecting this over here like this. As you see here, we got a mini plane made from 8 pieces. Very simple, but very good. As you see here, we have like a little mini plane, as you see here. And then we're just gonna leave it down. So thank you for supporting the channel. And also, yeah. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. So yeah. Bye.